Oh, hi!
Good morning. It's Hiker Dude Dad. We are out here at Kelly's Run. Mad Taco is here.
Hello.
B-Dog is here.
Oh, great. I dripped water on myself.
His buddy E-Dub is here. And you guys know Jay. He's bringing up the rear. E-Dub is Jay's kid. Not just some kid we found along the side of the road.
Are you sure about that?
Today, this is my kids. It's their third Utah training hike. Fourth Utah training hike. And getting ready to go later this week. And we're looking to do 3.7 to 4 miles today on this loop. It's all downhill here at the beginning, which is good. Mad Taco has a playoff game tonight. She doesn't want to overwork herself.
Well, like she never wants to hike anyways.
And that.
I had an excuse today.
Training for Utah. She was a champ, got out of bed. Well, and here we are. So
Well, in like
it's mostly downhill here at first. And then we're going to be hiking up amazing waterfalls. We've gotten rain the last couple days, so should be good. And the woods are alive with cicadas.
Oh yeah, see you, sucker.
And they're going the wrong way.
Yeah.
But the hills are alive with cicadas. We saw some carcasses. Hopefully we'll see all kinds of other animals.
There's one right here. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them right here. There's a whole bunch of them right here.
There's a live one. Where is he? Here we go.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them right here, and they're all
Oh,
dying
cicada!
or dead.
Oh, goodbye. He was stuck in the grass. I let him take off.
And put the nets to hit right up against the forest where they all were.
Okay, so here is an ant and a spotted lanternfly nymph. Which, yep. Which I think I killed. They are jumpers, but they are an invasive species.
Maddie, come here.
And we must kill them. They are tiny right now, black bugs with white spots. And they're in that black nymph stage now. Mad Taco just saw one, good eyes. And yeah, they're all over that one plant, so we just had a field day crushing a couple. So we've been talking about the cicadas. There's one.
How they're very scary.
She thinks they're very scary. They are gentle giants. They are not dangerous. They won't bite. When they land on you, they got big legs, you know, so they kind of feel a little grippy for a second. But no, I call them big, dumb, and crunchy. Jay's analogy back there was flying school buses. Like, they're just big and awkward and not dangerous. But, you know, some people, I guess, still don't like them landing on them. So, which you haven't been landed on yet, right?
I was at the tournament, but not now.
Another time. Okay. Across the meadow here at Kelly's Run, and we're about to drop into descent to the road near Holtwood Dam. Definitely lanternfly nymph season here. So many.
We have to make sure we clean up when we go home, Evans, so there's no lanternflies on us.
Mm-hmm.
Because we don't
Make
have
sure
them.
there's none on our clothes, so we don't spread them.
Oh, so you guys don't have them?
Oh man. I was hoping to see a slide on your butt.
Wish that someone slid on my butt. Yeah.
We're on the road here above Holtwood Dam.
You said it.
Orange barrier down there to prevent boats and everything from going over the dam. This is the downhill road here, kind of the paved western side of the Kelly's Run Loop Trail.
have to get your wind outside.
So we're at the Stand By Me bridge.
Wait, you've crossed it, right?
I have, many times. All that growth there in the middle is going to make it real tough to get through. So I think we're going to go under the bridge,
Yay.
which is Kelly's Run down there.
Why can't you just go over it right there?
You
Good, I
can,
need to get through that stuff.
Nope.
but it's kind of fun to cross the stream down
We're
here.
gonna go down here. I want to see what it looks like
Why
on
can't
here.
you walk up?
And we're under the Stand By Me bridge. I did a good job. I didn't call it Dooney's Bridge this time.
Hey, you can eat a snack right now.
All right. Absolutely. Practically going through a cave here. What did you say it is? A toad?
Yeah, too.
Guess he's warty.
How wordy.
Good eyes, guys.
Don't you say?
Found some nice little rapids here for snack time. What do you think so far? Good waterfalls?
Yeah.
Two bears fighting over snacks over there.
Probably because we've gone to Niagara Falls.
Yeah, Niagara Falls is a little bit better. Thanks for pointing that out. The cicada swarm out here in the power line clearing. Absolute swarm out here. I didn't get Mad Taco, she sprinted through them. Oh, I see him. Go get bombarded. There she goes. She's stealing home. Better save some of that jump for her playoff game tonight. We are back at the parking lot. Successful hike today. Jay and E-Dub, Mad Taco, B-Dog had a wonderful time in that last quarter mile, which was actually a mile, but I kept saying quarter mile. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you're subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Maybe from Utah.